Having a beautiful lawn goes a long way. It adds value to your home, reduces soil erosion, and absorbs rainfall. Grass seed can grow a new lawn from scratch or bolster patches of your lawn that have been damaged by winter or disease. Keep in mind, grasses are either warm season or cool season. Warm season grass originates in the south and grows best in hot weather. Cool season grass originates in the north and features rapid growth in the spring and fall. The best planting times for each type are late spring for warm season grasses, early spring, late summer, or early fall for cool season grasses. Consider the following warm season grass varieties for your new lawn: Bahia, Bermuda, Centipede, St. Augustine, and Zoysia. Cool season grasses are tall and creeping fescues, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial ryegrass. Choose yours based on the climate of your region, the amount of available sun, resistance to drought, and the traffic level you expect on your lawn. For more information, view the chart in our detailed grass buying guide. For more detailed information about this and many other popular tools and products, check out the DIY projects and ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.